Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many VBA Excel users face when working with data stored in different worksheets. The issue arises when trying to update the database by replacing existing worksheets with new ones, resulting in annoying #ref errors due to Excel's object referencing system. Now let's dive into the solution that will save you from those pesky errors. By utilizing a script like the one provided, you can efficiently update the content of the worksheets without the need to replace the entire sheet. This script ensures a smooth transfer of data from the server to your Excel document, maintaining the integrity of your formulas and references. The key is to copy over the sheet contents rather than swapping out the entire worksheet, which eliminates the #ref errors. To break it down further, the script starts by defining the file path and key variables, then opens the updated database file. Next, it copies the content to the dating bank and stapler worksheets to your current workbook, ensuring a seamless update. Finally, the script retrieves the version information from the database and updates it in the designated cell. By following these steps, you can say goodbye to those frustrating referencing errors for good. In summary, with this efficient and effective solution, you can effortlessly update your Excel database without encountering those dreaded #ref errors. So go ahead, give it a try, and say hello to a smoother data management experience. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any Excel-related jokes you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy Excel, ing.